boy, everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told
it's hair day. Hello keepers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a maintenance vlog. This vlog is going to be spread out along the weekend. So today is Friday and first service is K Creations. I'm getting my hair done. That was so fake. I'm getting my hair done. In this vlog is gonna be hair, lashes, and nails. So let's get glammed. Go straight down. We just moisturize. We ain't oily. We moisturize. You look cute though.
That's better.
I ordered these. Oh, my phone is in use. I ordered these like, it looks glasses like yours, but just fashion wise. Yeah, but I remember back in the day I used to love wearing clear frames.
Yeah, my best friend, that was her, bro.
Are you wearing makeup? What are you wearing? The Fenty concealer?
No, Morphe? Is that the palettes you told me to buy?
The bronzer?
Trailblazer. Just
all over your face? Then I have to start doing that because wow, yeah, it's like giving airbrush.
Yeah, it's like
I've never done that before.
Giving me a glow.
Yeah, like, and nothing's under your eyes?
No, I have Fenty.
Oh, okay.
But like
very light.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I look so
better.
Brown skin.
You do.
Why? I'm not bleaching, y'all.
I'm dead.
My skin in the winter.
Oh,
I just get pale.
We need change, but we chase the pounds and pens, yeah. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody tell me. Money, 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 money makes the world go round. Money, 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 money got me feeling down. Days I go and chase your dreams, but never told me that I have to wake up.
Morning keepers, it is the next day in my maintenance vlog and I'm getting ready for my my lash appointment. I've already bathed, skincare, did all of that. I wanted to show you guys, if you guys can see, I'm gonna have to bring you down because the way I have you positioned isn't the greatest. So I wanted to show you guys the tights that I said I got picked up from Target on my haul, and it's like shapewear because the compression is solid on this. This is how it looks like, and I absolutely loved it. So yeah, I just paired it with my bodysuit and I'm gonna wear it with, I'm gonna throw on my yoga top. So we have practice after.
Okay guys, welcome to Kiss Studios, Keeping Us Sultry. Yeah, the one who does all your lash aesthetics. You come to me, be happy. But today we are going to do hey Nat, what do you want to do? A volume or a hybrid?
I don't know, you know.
Yeah, she always used to be a volume babe, and then all of a sudden, I don't know, she decided to go.
The hybrid was nice. Yeah.
I don't know. What do you want to do? Yeah, I don't know what you want to do.
It's just a maintenance vlog. Weekend vlog.
You know, I just have to talk in secret. What should I do? I don't know, guys. What do you think she should do? Comment below. The video will already be done.
We already made the decision. I think I don't know.
I don't know.
I feel like right now, I feel like my hair is really loud right now.
So you want like, probably like a volume set to like carry it?
No,
so you look more done up?
No,
like,
I don't want to carry it, but then I'm only keeping this in for a week because for his birthday on the 20th, I'm gonna take it out
and then redo your hair. Yeah.
Okay, let's do.
Oh my god. I don't know. Yo, this year bare birthdays.
I know.
Ooh, I don't know. Wait, but his birthday is like the 20th, no?
Yeah. So the Valentine's week and then the weekend after is his birthday, so I'm gonna just.
And what's today's date? Today is the 8th, the 10th.
Yeah, look.
So that's almost like a 2-week mark though.
Okay, because I did my hair today. I'm gonna have it in still here. And then
what are you selling it, braiding his birthday weekend here or here?
Here.
Oh no, yeah. That's almost a 2-week mark. I mean, if you wanted to last longer, you could do a volume.
Okay, yeah.
Because honestly, the difference between a volume and a hybrid is literally just the density. I tell people this all the time. It has nothing to do with the style per se, because you could do that same style with either a hybrid or a volume set.
Yeah.
The difference is literally the density between the two. So if you want something more fuller, that will last longer, then I always tell people to do a volume set because then it will end up becoming a hybrid.
Okay, that's my answer.
Yeah, so I just say like, just you here already, just get your lashes done.
Yeah.
Just do the volume.
Let's go. Let's do the whole 9 yards. Okay. I'll see you guys later, keepers. Love it.
When you have the keeper.
Love it.
Oh, mommy, it's so silly. Okay, let me take some videos.
But we're cutting it down. Like let's go halfway. Okay. A little more. Okay.
Oh, I'm so nervous to cut. Yeah, that looks better.
Yeah, that's right. Can't go any shorter than that.
Okay.
But I get your analogy, like go start small and then you work your way.
Just in case, because once it's gone, it's gone.
Makes sense. Like, what do you mean? The Super Bowl can afford you. Yeah, that's the Super Bowl. But come on.
Us common folks?
Yeah, come on. Like, you haven't dropped any new music in the last how many years? Be for real. Oh, Usher.
Okay, here.
No, his chest better come down and drop the prices
maybe
for
I
you
should have tried going to the residency.
I know.
It was for, was it like a year?
It was a year.
Yeah.
I'm even surprised he's going on too. He's not tired?
Yeah, right? But I guess, you know, while you're still hot and
you might as well get all the money you can. Yeah.
Might as well.
And then you wait another 20 years and do it again.
Do it again for the people like us when we're old.
I know, because we'll go.
Because we'll go.
He's probably thinking like his music now, the people that were listening to it back then are probably older now. They can afford it. Like,
yeah,
you put that together with your husband or your partner or whatever.
Yeah, if you really want to do it, you'll figure it out.
It's really not for the young ones. But you shouldn't discriminate. Like,
no. Facts. Like, I work just as hard. Like,
I even feel like, so Burna Boy's concert is in like 2 weeks. Even his tickets were so not as expensive as Usher. Like, you're an Afrobeat artist, like 2-3 bills.
Oh, okay.
Like, obviously it's not that expensive, but I feel like Davido had a concert in, when was it, in June or so?
Yeah.
To me, I feel like Davido's dropping way more hits than Burna Boy.
Yeah.
His wasn't even that expensive. Like, it was under a bill.
Really?
Under $100. I know Burna's
and that was the seat of the, because that was Budweiser.
Yes. Burna Boy's is at Scotiabank Arena, so I feel like he's just trying to make his money back to pay. But like,
but isn't Burna Boy like nuff too? Like I think I heard
he's nuff. Oh yeah,
like,
his chest is so high.
If his show doesn't sell out,
he won't come.
Imagine, like.
Yeah, but with Burna, I feel like he felt like he could because he did one show first. He put out the tickets, sold out. So then he added a second show. So that's why he feels like there's two shows.
Okay.
It's a Saturday and Sunday thing.
Oh, okay.
So because the first one sold out, he's like, I'm not bringing the price down. Like, you guys can afford it. It's a no for me still.
But it's also like, you don't know what people are actually even doing to try to afford these things. Because like, you know, FOMO's a real thing. Like I say it all the time. People, if they really want to, and even if they can't afford it, they'll figure it out.
They'll figure it out. Yeah. They will go into their savings. Exactly.
There's all these things like that you could do to be able to do it, but it's just like, I don't know. I'm just like, I can't just fight. And mind you, our budget for the Usher concert was like $350.
Wow.
So we actually even put like
put in a little bit more.
Yeah, you know, we want to get like 100 level seats. 100 levels. We can't even get nosebleeds. I can't even afford to sit in the nosebleeds.
Yeah, exactly. And that 200 and 300 that I'm saying for Burna is the nosebleed seats.
Yeah. I'm like, the disrespect.